I'm hit, mate. I'm hit. You're not even firing, bud. Alpha. Yeah, Alpha.
Huh?
Alpha. No, I hit you first.
You haven't hit me, mate. You've hit him. You're out. Hit? Yeah, you didn't hit me, dude. Now I'm in.
I live life through a polarizing lens. When I feel the love, they hate again. Gotta make ends and make amends. Pay cash when I'm paying for my sins. Can you bury me alive inside a Benz? I'ma need 4 seats, I brought my friends. If we built this shit, if it all fall down, they would all take a charge in my defense. That's why I'm talking fast inside the Sprinter van. A methamphetamine addicted man. Speeding Leo, catch me if you can. Slowing down and stopping, not the plan. Thought I had it mapped like I'm Magellan. Making moves inside the cerebellum. If you know the secret, never tell them. Fuck them motherfuckers, they get jealous. Why you buy the bullshit they been selling? Purple in the shellers, Donatella. You get mad at me for reaching goals. I get mad at you for reaching ceilings. Talking to me like I'm not a human. Like I never felt the way you feeling. I guess if I gotta play the villain, I'ma sign a deal and make a killing. Oh. Guess I gotta be the bad guy. Bitch, you ain't Denzel, you ain't about that life. I be on this side, you be on that side. Don't cross that line, don't cross that line. Thinking back, way back for the start of it. Before I ever wrote a song and recorded it. I remember where I was when I thought of it. I was in the same race you've been caught up in. Had a little drug money in an ottoman. I was drinking cheap liquor, smoking parliaments. Ever since then, I've been going harder than 06 Dwayne Wade. 06 Dwayne caught a shit down. I wanted to quit, thank God I did not. I had to learn how to handle shit talk. Nothing more annoying than a fan of hip hop. You a little boy, that shit a kid's bob. Chill for a minute, digest that, and you still don't get it. I admit it, I was looking for a deal. 6 figures could've got me for a steal, but they did it. Now I got no time when the phone ring, except when it's big bro with the OGs. A lot of people tell people that they know me. Where were you when I was living off 14? Way back then, kept it low key. No T.O. put in OT. I'm a young Pete Rose with the hits. Got it like this. I'm the only one that's putting money on my own team. Oh. Guess I gotta be the bad guy. Bitch, you ain't Denzel, you ain't about that life. I be on this side, you be on that side. Don't cross that line, don't cross that line. Guess I gotta be the bad guy. Bitch, you ain't Denzel, you ain't about that life. I be on this side, you be on that side. Don't cross that line, don't cross that line.
Charlie's been asking for you. He said that you and him ain't spoken for a while. Caught him down a local nightclub on the dance floor, putting his phone number into another girl's mobile. And he said he hopes to see you soon. Then he told me the things that he used to do. I told him that I don't really need to know. Then he asked me to ask if you want him back. He said he's still hanging around it with Molly and Jack. And if you ever need him, you know where to go. Charlie. Charlie's been asking for you. He said you used to want him when you went out to play. I caught him knocking round the high street on the weekend, sneaking into nightclubs and making every punter's day. And he said he used to make you smile, and if you didn't want him, you were in denial. And I said to him, just please get out my head. Then he told me to tell you to take his hand, cause he knows deep down you're his biggest fan. And now I'll pass his message to you, my dear. Charlie keeps on asking, he just won't let it go. He said you like it in the summer when it snows. Charlie. can't do right at the after party. Kids on whiz, darlings on Charlie, don't go back to him. Kids on whiz, darlings on Charlie, can't do right at the after party. Kids on whiz, darlings on Charlie, don't go back to him. Kids on whiz, darlings on Charlie, can't do right at the after party. Kids on whiz, darlings on Charlie, don't go back to him. Kids on whiz, darlings on Charlie, can't do right at the after party. Kids on whiz, darlings on Charlie, don't go back to him.